Hey guys, Rick here reporting on the brand new Hairsystems from Superhairpieces, the model number M111XT. I did a previous video where I introduced this, and I am going to continue to give reports on this. The caution that came to me with it, of course, was that it is a very thin skin. The HD111 that I am so very dedicated to and that I still love is a 4mm poly skin. This unit is a 2 to 3mm, and it is noticeably thinner without a doubt. So the questions would be about how will it hold up, how durable it will be, how fragile might it be, all of those things. I have had this on my head for 6 days, I believe, and here's the report. I have literally been ran over with compliments. First of all, let me say, not one negative word about HD111. It's fabulous, and I'm still going to be wearing it. And I'm probably going to be wearing this some too. But the difference is the hair is not as dense on the M111XT. It's so your hair is thinner. For some of you, that's a major positive because you don't want to have a great big dense head of hair whenever your bio hair is probably thin and your natural hair was never very thick and it was maybe fine. So that's not a negative really. My natural bio hair was thicker than what this is, but it looks great. And here's the comment I got from everyone who know me, who know that I wear a Hairsystem. I quite obviously don't try to keep it a secret, but they would come into my business. Every single one of them, without fail, since I've done this, said, "Your hair's shorter. I really like it. It looks really good." And so I'd explain it was a different model, and they would comment about how crazy it was that they could not see the front hairline whatsoever. Next thing I've observed that I don't really understand, I don't think, is like I said, I'm 6 days in. This feels like a new attachment. I don't know if that thin skin just sucked down to my head so and disappeared. I don't know what the reason for it is, but generally at this point in time, I am looking to take it off and reinstall. HD111 for me, I take off every 7 days. And but this one, I really don't understand why, unless that thinner skin makes that much difference. But I'm not anywhere close right now to taking this off. It looks too good. It feels good. The whole thing is really, really great. So the question remains still that when I do take it off, what kind of shape is it going to be in? I'm going to be extremely careful removing it, that I don't rip or tear or put any pressure on it. Be very careful cleaning it because I want to get it back on my head because it just feels so incredible and looks so incredible. So hey, there you go, M111XT. I'll be letting you know where it's all about. You know, how much longevity is it going to have, which is the big question for this unit. Anyway, Rick here signing out. Have a good one.